Hey guys, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, we'll talk about a token that is quite trending. It is called as FLOKI Token, and we know it is one of the top meme coin in the space. And the reason why it is trending, I will tell you right away. It is now listed on Robinhood. FLOKI Token is now officially listed on Robinhood app, and that is the reason people are searching for it. In fact, BNB Chain congrats FLOKI on their listing on the app, and of course, this is a good news for the token, especially for the token holder. So in this video we will predict the price action of this token, but before that let me tell you some numbers about the token so that you should be clear where the token is heading or how far this token can go, especially in the coming few months in Q3 and Q4 of 2025. So let's see here in FLOKI. You can see the price is 0.301164, up by 28% this month, but the number here are like this. You have market cap of $1.1 billion already for this token. For a meme coin, it is little bit on the higher side, I can say. And circulation supply is nearly equivalent to 10 trillion token. That's a big supply for this token. Remember, market cap hitting already over 1 billion and maximum supply is already 10 trillion token. Go down here and you will check it out. The all-time high is 3449 and you already have 301164, so you are very closer to all-time high in this case. So let's go down and see all-time low, which is 70. Of course, those who invested early in 2021 in this token already made a lot of money, but now the time is how high it can go after listing on Robinhood. For that we will take the help of the charts. So for the charts, like I always say, go with higher time frame, and here you have the higher time frame already. So see here, the token pumped lot, then of course stagnated for a lot of time, then suddenly in Feb 24 and March 24 it pumped to new all-time high nearly equivalent to 303, and of course then dumped. So it is making kind of, let me show you right over here, a pump, then higher lows, but then it failed to scale up again, then lower highs, lower low, again we are here, lower highs, and the question is where it will head next. And of course, if you look at the monthly, it indicates that it will go lower from this particular angle, because it is now making lower high, lower low, lower high, lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows. That's a sign of a bearish trend coming soon. But let's wait for the weekly and see my confirmation is true or not. So you can see here clearly it has something called as top level resistance, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So token always stagnate at this zone, which is 0.303. At this zone, when it hits, it starts stagnating and then of course decelerates and then goes bearish. Same is happening this time also in March 24, same happened in June 24, same happened in November 24, and right now we're already going down, and I don't think it is going to scale to directly to this number anytime soon, especially when you are making lower high, lower low on the monthly chart. But let's assume it is going back up. For that we need to again zoom in and let's draw this line here. So this is a phase line for it. What it suggests is if a token is falling like this and if it's climbed like this again, there are chances of it having a breakout from this zone. So what I mean by that is, what I see here is a path of deceleration, which here it hit the support line, then pumped. That means higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. That means it can either go up, which means it can go up here. The next target should be 0.302, or it can decelerate and fail to go above here. When that happened, the high chances for this token is crashing down to this level, which is equivalent to this stage right over here. You can see bottom, it is nearly equivalent to bottom. So it is on high risk of actually going down than going up. Even after listing on Robinhood, I don't see this token scaling very high. If it scales very high, the best it can do is hitting all-time high once again. So that is my view about this token. Of course, you can look at the daily chart, but for this token, you can actually figure out the actual price action by looking at the higher time frame, that is your weekly chart and monthly chart, and that will give you a clear picture about FLOKI coin price prediction. So if you ask me what I see here, I see this token going a bit up. The best it can do is 0.302, or in a very good time it can hit recent all-time high, but of course that is the limit of this token. It is not going to hit $1 for sure, that is quite sure, and having a very high supply, the best it can do is hitting 10x, that is removing one more zero. So I won't be investing in it, but again, if you are bullish about this token, comment below, let me know. With that, I complete my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you like my analysis. I hope to meet tomorrow in the new video. Till then, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.